About a month ago, first home buyer Sarah Trelaw moved into her new apartment.
The best thing that could have happened is just having my own space, being able to do my own thing. I think that's just been amazing.
Sarah knew her mortgage repayments would be rising about as quickly as she and her cat settled into their new home.
I didn't borrow at the top of my range, so I could accommodate future increases. I have played around with online interest rate calculators, and I think I can definitely accommodate a few percentage point increases.
In a surprise move, the Reserve Bank raised the official cash rate by 0.5 percentage point to 0.85%.
The RBA is clearly serious about getting inflation under control.
In a statement, the Reserve Bank Governor Philip Lowe said inflation is higher than earlier expected because of COVID-related disruptions to supply chains, the war in Ukraine, and higher prices for electricity, gas and petrol.
This will be very difficult news for all of those Australians who are already facing the skyrocketing costs of living in this country.
If lenders pass on the rate hike in full, the average owner-occupier loan of $750,000 with 25 years left on the mortgage will rise by nearly $200 a month. If the RBA raises rates to 2.5% by the end of next year, the repayments on that loan will increase by $977 a month. Customers at Renee Boltov's barbershop are already cutting back on their spending as they try to hold on to that cash to cover increased mortgage repayments.
Instead of coming for, a haircut every 4 weeks, they may come every 6 and stretch it out. So that would have a direct financial impact on the revenue of the business, which is kind of difficult just coming out of a pandemic.
While lenders were quick to pass on last month's rate hike in full to borrowers, just over half of banks increased the rate on at least one of their savings accounts, according to Rate City. No doubt those savers will be hoping this time around they'll be rewarded.
I would like to see the banks pass on these hikes in full to savers. This should be their time to shine, to finally get more interest on their hard-earned cash, but I cannot see many banks passing this on in full.
Sarah Trelaw is expecting the full increase to be passed on to her home loan, but she's confident she'll be able to manage a few more rate hikes.
Every night I look at the news, read it online, and you see wild predictions around what the interest rates could or couldn't do. It's a bit scary, but I think in the medium term I should be okay.
A good position to be in as the Reserve Bank looks to keep lifting rates.